So one thing I have realized is that forget about those permanent garage shelves. They are not good. You want to build these removable ones so you can park your bicycles on the floor and all your stuff can hang open, and when you swing open the vehicle, the doors, it doesn't hit anything and you can walk and stuff. Let me show you how it's done. So right now I'm gonna remove the big one. Here's a close-up of their cleat system. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of the French cleat. This is it. You basically, I locate your studs. So this is every 16 inches. My 3¼ inches right here, 3¼ You want to have two long screws for each stud. So I have one here. I'm gonna put another one right here. Show you guys. This is exactly 16 inches, which is right in the middle of the stud. My garage, my shelves are 4 feet from the floor, and they are 33¾ in height, and they are 19 inches, 19¼ plus the cleat and everything. This is exactly 20 inches. So, and from the ceiling, my garage is only 8 feet. From the ceiling, you can see I have 15 inches of open space. So you can put your whatever you want on the top shelf, on top of the shelf. So don't build your shelf all the way to the ceiling. This is another one. See, I put my fishing gear on top. So this is on the side of the garage. This is different. So this one is only 15 inches with the cleat spacer. You're talking about 16 inches. This one too is 33¾ so they're the same height. So this is the other half of the French cleat. This is 3/4 of an inch. So when you put it right here, it fits perfectly. See, it's very snug. And some people say, oh, you need to have 2 French cleats, one on top, one on the bottom. And that was my intention at the beginning. Then I realized that you don't really need it. One is all you need is really strong. So you want to have 1 cleat on the left, 1 in the middle, 1 on the right. I haven't hanged this one yet. Right, middle, left. It's really, really strong. And make sure that you have a spacer on the bottom that is the same size as the top. So you want to have 3 as well. Left, middle, right, and that's it. going to put this wagon right in the open area. Now, how about that? That wagon is a really big size. The big wagon fits into the open area. So that open area can be adjusted.
Here's the garage view with the shelves up.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.